Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. I have a box in front of me. It is from Archer and Olive. We're going to go ahead and open it together and see what's inside. So I did purchase this over their Black Friday sale event. So there's quite a few items in here. And if you're interested in seeing, stay tuned. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, if this is your first time joining, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm just gonna pull out the paper with my information on it. Okay. And look how beautifully it's always packaged. So okay. So much stuff in here. Okay. So there are little items here. Also a question, do you guys keep the boxes from here or no? I'm always wondering. Like, do people keep these? Do you throw them out? Do you store them like this? Like, where are you at? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then the tabs. So let me go ahead and open one by one and show you all the things. So I did get these little, like, actually let me unfoil all of these, or maybe not. Let's do one by one. I'm gonna stick with my original plan. Okay, I need tweezers to go in between and like undo the tab. Okay, so this is a little notebook. Looks like this. It's like a leatherette cover. It has a chipboard on the back. It's just like I like having things like that for my work. So I bought 2 of them because they were on a huge sale. I think they were like $3 each, which normally they're quite a bit more. Okay. So I'll show you the second one. And again, let me know about the like nice boxes. Just see if you guys keep them because I'm always curious. Okay. So this is called a forest findings. It's a little memo pad. Same thing with this one. This one's called Moonshade. So I have 2 of those. They are, I don't even know how many pages, but they're pretty great. I'm gonna show you the tabs next. So I bought these for my journal this year because when I'm going to be doing my journal, I will need to tab my months, which I usually do. I might go back and do those here too. So I got 2 of them and I got them in like the blue shades. So I bought tabs before and I can't find them, so I had to buy new ones. And of course, now that I have these, I will more than likely find my original ones. Okay, let's open this one. So this is A5 Superfan. It's vegan leather. It's 128 ultra thick pages. So let me show you this one. I know they had multiple like little notebooks for different days of different events for the Black Friday. This one does not have the slidey box like they normally do. But let me show you what it looks like. Okay. So I'm gonna put those 3 on the side. It's a little notebook and a washi and a pen. The inside has this little beautiful design, and it is just a plain Dot Grid notebook. It has 2 ribbons as always. They are in teal color, and it has the back pocket. So all of that is exactly the same as it was. It is thinner because typically the books that they sell are about 160 pages, I believe. Yeah. So this is called Lunar Veil. It is 160 pages, and it's 160 GSM. So both of them are 160. So the okay, I dropped that. Did you guys see that? Sorry, it was so loud. Okay, but yes, the box is on this one a little ruined, and that's okay. But they do come in this like beautiful packaging, right? So I just thought this is so gorgeous. Let me put this away. Okay. Okay, so super gorgeous, right? This is the inside of it. And then these are the pages. The back of it has a big pocket. I don't necessarily have a purpose for this just yet, but I like having notebooks of when I think about a purpose and when I come up with something. So, especially the ones I like, because when you're looking, you could never find one that you really like. So, yeah. This one is called The Forest Impressions, and it's also 8x8. So it's I don't know if anybody else does this size, but this is definitely a Archer and Olive special that I have seen so far. I have fell in love with this almost immediately when I saw it. So these are like embossed silver plants, and if you guys know, I love having plants and flowers in my journal in general. And then this is the inside, so it's like acorns and leaves and pine cones, so super adorable. So is this. And then the back is exactly the same as all the others. It has a pocket, and then that's the whole notebook. So it is 160 pages, and it is 160 GSM as well. So I only have one left to show you guys, and that one is let's see, Forest Foxes. Let's see, I'm just gonna use this. Some of these were on sale, some of these I don't remember if they were on sale. I just purchased notebooks based what I like. Ooh. Okay, almost there. Yeah. So this one was definitely on sale, and it is like a canvas feel to it. Again, 160 pages, 8x8. This is the inside of it. It is gorgeous. Dot grid. 2 like silky blue ribbons, and then the pocket on the back. So that's all these are. So again, this one is called Forest Fox, and it is a dot grid notebook. Then we have Forest Impressions, and this one is almost like a vegan leather, I feel like. So is this one, the vegan feel to it, and this one is called Lunar Veil, and it is a dot grid. Then we have the Super Fan, which was super inexpensive to purchase. It was like on a doorbuster type of sale. It is a thinner notebook, so if you were using it for something like smaller, you could definitely use that. And then I got 2 of the memo pads. So one is the Forest Findings. And then the other one is the Moonshade. And my little tabs. So actually what I'm gonna do with the tabs so I don't lose them, I'm gonna put them in my journal. So this is my journal for 2026. I am so stoked about this. And we're just gonna put them in here so I won't lose them. Or at least that's the hope. Okay, they're not closing all the way, so let's try this again. Okay, so they're in, and this is the perfect size. If it was a 5, I don't think it would have fit, but this is my journal for next year. Let me know what you guys think about this haul. Let me know which one's your favorite. For me, this one takes the cake for sure. The inside, the outside, all of it, the feel of it. If you're a big plant fan, I highly recommend that one. And thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys had fun opening this with me and going through a review. And I can't wait to show you how I'm going to be setting up my 2026 journal. Thanks for watching. Bye.